everyone. I'm Disney artist and historian Stacia Martin, here to help celebrate the golden anniversary of Walt Disney World, 50 magical years. And of course, a golden anniversary kind of makes me think of the most magical golden stuff in the world. That, of course, is pixie dust. And all pixie dust here at the Magic Kingdom comes courtesy of the young lady flying right above us. That is Tinkerbell, the most famous pixie in the world. She's, of course, the star of Walt Disney's 1953 classic animated feature, Peter Pan, and the world's most famous magical entity, I think, because it's pixie dust that not only gives our golden anniversary its sparkle, but also, as Wendy, John, and Michael Darling learned, with a little bit of faith and trust, helps you fly. You can fly to Neverland or fly anywhere, really, I think, as long as you have faith and trust. Of course, here in the Magic Kingdom, guests have been enjoying Peter Pan's Flight, the attraction, ever since 1971, when the Magic Kingdom opened its doors. And Peter Pan and his adventures are not just timeless, but they're very inspiring to all of us who aspire to be timeless as well. Never grow up is the message of Peter Pan in Neverland, and I think that's probably most possible here at Walt Disney's East Coast Magic Kingdom. The realization of one of his dreams to expand the world of Disney parks, to expand the experience of being in a Disney animated film to all the guests around the nation. And Tinkerbell, of course, has not only been a big part of Disneyland and Walt Disney World all of her life, but in 1954, Walt Disney entrusted Tinkerbell to be the hostess of the weekly Disney television show. She would fly out from the castle, wave her wand on television, and introduce the wonders of the wonderful world of color and wonderful world of Disney television shows. And coincidentally, many of the episodes of the Disney TV show were set within Walt Disney's magical parks, Disneyland and Walt Disney World in particular. The special coverage of Walt Disney World's opening in 1971 was extensive, and the world could not wait to see what wonders Walt's new dreams in Florida had in store for them. And what's marvelous is that's still the way people feel today. 50 years later, there are still new dreams, new enchantments coming, and more along the way. We will never stop dreaming and imagining, and that's exactly what not only Walt, but the whole spirit of magic is all about. Dream, imagine, and believe, because here at Walt Disney World, anything can happen, and in fact, if you're lucky, you can fly. So thank you, Tinkerbell, for the pixie dust, and thank you, Walt Disney World, for 50 years of magic and enchantment.